Number 8. I have heard that the federal income tax is not unconstitutional, and doing something like never filing your federal income tax is illegal and a federal offense. What do you have to say about the statement? Well, it's a federal offense and illegal based on the distinctions of the judges, but not based on the paperwork and the legal ramifications, which of course are semantically interpreted, of the Constitution and everything else. Very quickly, the income tax is illegal from 3 angles. The 16th Amendment was never ratified fully. In fact, not one state officially and completely legally ratified that amendment. If you don't believe that, I suggest you read The Law That Never Was by Bill Benson, who has 17,000 original documents. He spent years and years going state by state, finding all the original documentation. And it's not just simple punctuation marks that a lot of people claim. There are some states that did not ratify that are still in the books today that say they did ratify it. There are states where the wording was literally opposite of what the official wording was, so the states had no idea what they were doing. Many of the states signed it in violation of their own state laws where they said they could not pose a direct tax. So that's the first issue, and again, I don't have time. This isn't the platform for me to discuss this in detail. The second issue is the violation of the Fifth Amendment. If you want to understand that a little bit more, you can read, I believe, Bill Conklin's book, Why No One is Required to File Tax Returns. I think you can find that as a torrent PDF or something like that. You're a witness against yourself every time you're forced to sign your tax return, and that is a direct violation. And the third issue to point out is that it is entirely voluntary. It states it thoroughly through the IRS code. There's no statute in existence, and every demand of any form of statute has resulted in absolutely no response from the IRS. There's actually, on the Internet, there's someone offering, I believe, $50,000 for someone who can prove that there's a statute. It's voluntary because of the reasons that have just been denoted, specifically the Fifth Amendment. But again, I'm not going to go into specific detail. If you want to get a good summary of this, which was my first introduction, a former IRS investigator named Joseph Bannister wrote a book called Investigating the Federal Income Tax. And I recommend anyone read that. If you really want to go down the rabbit hole on that one. In the end, I've washed my hands of it because there's nothing you're going to be able to do. Unless enough people got together to force it through masses, the masses would have to force the issue. No single individual can use the law in their favor because the judges will not, they simply won't have it. Even though some have given a lot of leeway, they won't do it. So it's a waste of time as far as I'm concerned. I'm not telling anybody not to pay their income taxes, by the way. I just point out the fact that no one knows, in America, no one's ever thought about their rights. No one pays any attention. Everyone's been thoroughly dumbed down.